Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this spray perfume. You can see how beautiful they are. I will show you how I made them from scratch to finish. So just stay glued to your screen, don't skip the video, watch it diligently if you want to learn how to make your own spray perfume at home. This is a very lovely and nice spray perfume. You can literally learn this skill and start up a spray perfume business. So watch to the end. Do well by following me, do well by subscribing to the channel. If you're watching this on TikTok and Facebook, do well by following me and sharing this video. So let's start. If you need to learn more about how to make things like the perfume, the soap, the body cream, the organic soap, the detergent, the liquid soap, there's a lot you learn. Reach me to join my online class or check the video description to join our online class, or reach me through those phone numbers there to join our online class. There you will learn how to become a pro in cosmetology. So I'll be waiting for you to join our class. So the next thing I'll be doing is to add our fragrances. Over here is the Pure Seduction fragrance. Most of you all should be familiar with these fragrances. I'm going to be adding the Pure Seduction fragrance. I'll be adding the Pink Chiffon fragrance. Then I'll be adding the Baccarat fragrance. So when you're making a spray perfume, you can literally mix these fragrances together to produce your own unique smell. You understand? You mix different nice perfumes or fragrances together to produce your own unique scent, so that it won't smell like every regular perfume in the market. So you can see over here I have mixed 3 different types of fragrances. I have used the Pink Chiffon, the Pure Seduction and the Baccarat to produce my own unique scent. This is actually a half-liter production. So just in case you want to produce in larger quantity, you simply multiply my measurements. You understand? This is a half-liter production. So if you want to produce in larger quantity, multiply my measurements. And don't forget, if you want to learn more on how to produce cosmetics and other household cleaning agents, do well by joining our online class. Check the video description, or you check the link of this video. You'll find the link to join the class, or you reach me through the mobile number I displayed on the screen of this video. It's very easy to join. You reach me through the mobile number displayed on the screen of this video. At the beginning of this video, I displayed the number. You reach me there, or you check the video description. You'll find the link to join our training group. So when making spray perfume, you can choose to add color or not to add color. It's an option. You can choose to add or not to add. Color only beautifies it and makes it look very attractive. But when you're adding color in your spray perfume, make sure you add very little, because too much color will stain people's white clothes. So you have to observe you're adding very little. And also make use of water soluble color. When you go to buy the color, ask for a water soluble color and use very little color. So I want to thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to follow me, don't forget to share this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to drop your comments. And also I am on other social media. I am on TikTok, I am on Facebook, I am on YouTube. So it depends on where you are watching this video. I'm going to display my social media handles here on the screen of this video. You can do it by following me. These are the handles. On TikTok it's Fame Ebong TV, on YouTube it is Fame Ebong TV, and on Facebook it is Fame Ebong. So do it by following me on my other pages. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. God bless you. And also don't forget to drop your comments where you did not understand what I did. And if you want to learn more, if you want to become a pro, do it by joining our class. Goodbye and have a lovely day.